This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your iPad before selling. First, ensure all your important data is backed up to iCloud or your computer. This crucial step safeguards your memories and information before you wipe the device clean. You can use iCloud for automatic backups or connect to a computer for a manual backup. Double-check that your backup is successful and accessible on another device to prevent any permanent data loss. Next, it's essential to sign out of all your personal accounts. Go to Settings, tap your name, and then scroll down to sign out of your Apple ID. This action also removes your iCloud and iTunes and App Store accounts. Remember to disable Find My iPad, which is vital for disconnecting the device from your account. Also, unpair any Bluetooth accessories and remove the iPad from your trusted devices list for complete security. Now, let's proceed with the full erase. Go to your iPad settings, tap on General, and then select Transfer or Reset iPad. From there, choose Erase All Content and Settings. You will be prompted to enter your device passcode and your Apple ID password to confirm the action. This process will securely delete all your data, apps, and settings, returning the iPad to its factory default state. Be aware that this action is irreversible. Once the erase process begins, allow the iPad several minutes to complete it. Do not interrupt the device during this time. After it finishes, the iPad should restart and display the Hello screen, just like a brand new device. This confirms that all your personal data has been successfully removed. Finally, give your iPad a thorough physical cleaning and remember to remove any SIM cards or external storage before selling it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.